The greatest resource of a leader is not in decision making, it's not in building, it's not in empowering people, it's in sensitization.
My Nigerian police, make una come see the duty of a police officer, not be to dey arrest yahoo boy or to dey stay road dey collect 200 naira because they don migrate from 20 naira to 200 naira. Not be only that one police officer dey do.
Going through the police checkpoint was a really big deal to me. Let me tell you why.
Hello guys, welcome back again. On today's video, we're going to be checking out how foreigners are praising Ghana police and military guys. But before we watch, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphine. I'm super excited to have you. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to my channel, and also do also press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's jump right into the video. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch, and definitely I will be back because of course I have something to say at the end of the video. Let's watch.
So I've caused a bit of an uproar because I was super excited about the police stop in Ghana. You guys, going through the police checkpoint was a really big deal to me. Let me tell you why. I have driven up a mountain from Accra to Aburi during high traffic and while there were some funerals. I have driven through large crowds of people going to and fro who could care less about the fact that I am driving a very heavy vehicle. I have navigated traffic jams, congestion, wrecks, trucks that were stopped in the middle of the road but didn't have any flashers on, so you don't know until you came into it. I'm in traffic. I've been able to get through things that look like this quickly and easily, challenging trolls and taxi drivers. I've mastered the hunk. I even now have comfortability when there are people walking so close to my car and that light turns green and it's time to go. Can we also mention the streets that should be one way, but they're two, and we share them with gutters and people and stop vehicles and opposite traffic that you have to navigate through? And we cannot ignore that there are some big vehicles on this road that has no rules. The police checkpoint was literally my final infinity stone. You have to give it to me. I'm officially a Ghana driver. I am successful in these Ghana streets. Like, yes, I'm excited. I was excited to be going through a checkpoint and navigate it successfully. Ghana girl.
I mentioned it before and I'll still mention it. The greatest resource of a leader is not in decision making, it's not in building, it's not in empowering people, it's in sensitization. That is a Ghanaian police raising awareness in Kwame Nkrumah Circle. See, let me tell you people something you have to understand. See, Ghana, I want to thank Ghanaians, I want to thank South Africans, I want to thank Botswana people and a number of other people for making me understand how society should work. There are lots of things I've learned from Ghanaians. If it's not for Ghana, for example, right now, I probably wouldn't have known that what happened in Nigeria, as these things they've tagged religious crisis, is actually not religious crisis, but political interest. It is what we call collusion. It's what we call collusion. A shrewd plan by bourgeois to benefit themselves at the expense of the masses. That's what we call collusion. If it's not for Ghana, I didn't know that a Muslim can be so cheerful. I mean, I've always loved my Muslim brothers, but after watching Ghanaians, in fact, there was this Muslim, oh Jesus Christ. Please, I don't want to say a number of things because Muslim girls, you people are too like God. You people, I marry you. You people are too sweet, I swear to God. Muslim sisters, oh dear, these are people to reckon with. So I know a number of Ghanaians. If it's not for Ghanaians, I wouldn't have known a number of things. I never knew. Someone said one thing in my comment section, and I almost farted laughing. He said that Imam's son is a Christian. It only happens in the kingdom of God is not food and drink, but righteousness. He said. Oh, don't worry, I'm I'm going to make you see another video. I like reading out some of these comment sections where Ghanaians address me. Oh, anyways, my brothers, you will see that awareness. I never knew police officers are made to give awareness. I thought it's only bullying people, beating up people, arresting people, extorting from people. I never knew police officers are supposed to have the mental know-how of giving awareness to people, speaking to people, advising people, sensitizing people. I never knew that. If you ask any Nigerian, they don't know. Owing to our experiences in Nigeria, no, we feel that when a man who is academic comes to give sensitization and people follow the rule, that is when you bring the police officer to come and take away that person. We didn't know that police officers are also equipped with the know-how to sensitize people. And it is in see, prevention is better than cure. When you sensitize, if the amount of jobs you have to do in engaging criminals is on an 80%, your sensitization would have reduced it to 20%. Awareness and sensitization. If you see the way that thing decreases criminality, you won't believe it. If our police officers have abilities to speak, to give awareness, to sensitize, a lot of criminal activities won't be happening. They would have lesser jobs to do. As a matter of fact, the bigger jobs that police officers in Ghana do right now, the bigger jobs they do, as in enforcing the law, more is because of Nigerians in Ghana. I'm telling you. See, law, it's called a law enforcement. Listen, in most cases, you use sensitization to enforce law. Speak to people, make them understand. Envelope, reveal the truth to them. Reveal to them certain things they don't know, because people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. People delve into criminality owing to lack of knowledge. You don't know the kind of awareness, you don't know the kind of inculcations they've been given to, especially in Nigeria, where we have a rootless and useless set of people playing parent figures in our lives and are giving us the wrong and the most devious and devilish impressions about life. So the society is owed to give us sensitization in the abusing our minds from what our useless sets of people playing father and mother figures in our lives are given to us. The alternatives, tell them. You know, that's how developed societies behave. They have sensitization programs. If you these days, most of this criminality are owed to an adverse inculcations and indoctrination. So you need sensitization to de-abuse their minds, and criminality will fall down, and your job will be a lot easier. That's even what fire service members went to the market in Ghana to do.
I got stopped by the police today for the first time in Ghana. Okay, not technically stopped by the police, but here in Ghana, as you're driving down the street, like sometimes every 10, 15 feet, there is a checkpoint of police officers. I'm not really sure what this is for. Queen, yes. Why do police be stopping us every 15 seconds? What are the police checkpoints for? Get to the point.
What did you check?
Why are the police there?
Yeah, it's a checkpoint. So we are checking your cars.
Okay, yeah. So apparently for no reason, just to check your car.
Where are you going?
Anyway, so typically you get there and the police traditionally, you know, they need a little money. They're not supposed to, but they do. And so today, I got my first police checkpoint, because I be driving. And so I turned on my lights, overheads, and I looked over at him. He saw me and he said, that's it. It was so uneventful. Queen laughed. Queen said, my American face, so they're not going to try to extort me for money. Come on, I'm extortable. You see what happened with my rent?
I have with me here Ghana police checkpoint versus Nigeria police checkpoint. With this video, you know how Ghanaians approach their citizens, their driver, and every other thing. And with this video, you will know how Nigeria police address their citizens. Let's go on with Ghana police.
General Conservatia Al Hassan, okay, from police unit, Ada unit. Abek, where are you from and where are you heading to?
We are from Port Adidono. We are heading towards Accra.
Allahu Akbar. Abek, you Sinaman, you are the driver.
Yes, sir.
And you know we are now heading toward Christmas season.
Yes, true.
And you and I know during Christmas season, the number of cases the normal youth recorded on Christmas season is too much. So please, for now, we are begging you, the driver, and those who are using machines on this road, to be very, very extra careful. Whether you are driving day or night, be very careful. Because on your way, you will meet a lot of potholes,
Yes.
speed runs, careless drivers, overspeeding, and even overtaking. Sometimes this Okada rider may cross you, or even mad people, or dogs, or let me just say animals, can even put you into serious trouble. So please, when you are driving, be very, very careful.
Okay, sir.
It's just about reaching your destination successful. It's not about an hurry.
Yes.
You know, when you are using machine to anything can happen.
True.
So put it in your mind. In case trouble is coming, you can be able to take control.
True.
You see my brother sitting here.
Yes.
Wallahi, when trouble is coming, he doesn't have any option because he's not the driver. You are the one driving.
True.
So he is dependent on you to do whatever you can.
My Nigerian police, make una come see the duty of a police officer. Not be to dey arrest yahoo boy or to dey stay road dey collect 200 naira because they don migrate from 20 naira to 200 naira. Not be only that one police officer dey do. Come see another great work when police officer dey do.
Let's move on to Nigeria police.
You want to shoot my car?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I don't want an officer.
Why that now?
Officer, I thought they leave my car back. How can I help you, sir?
Why you go to that everywhere? Madam, good afternoon.
I have my personal reason.
Greet me.
I greet you, sir.
My wife for you.
I greet you, sir.
You never reach anything now. You don't do record.
No, it's for my personal security.
It's your personal this year, eh?
Yes, sir.
Now you start to the record.
It's just my personal safety, sir.
It's not proper now.
I
don't
no.
harass you.
No. That's what I'm saying. It's also to promote that Nigerian police are also
Nigerian
good.
men. It's not all Nigeria be like that, my brother.
No, Nigerian police, I said.
Nigerian police.
Yes.
Who told you that?
I said it's to prove that Nigerian police are good, so we are recording it. Yeah.
How about you?
I'm fine, sir.
How's everything?
Everything is fine, sir.
No wahala.
Okay, sir.
We are friends.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. Okay.
But you know what happened? Because everywhere is treated for the vehicle.
Oh, that is for personal reasons, sir. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, take care, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Oga na lie. Na lie. Na because of the camera, you no get any reason again. I make you just let her go. You for collect money. We know all
Did you
those
see that?
we know all those things.
Oh my God.
As we watch this video now, Ghana police and Nigeria police, which one be the best when it comes to manner of approach? You see the way Ghana police address the driver and the followers and make it nice and like you would like to even jam checking point on the road. But I see Nigeria police. Oga don see camera, you don't fear. If you no let us talk anything again, na to just play along, just to say something to make sure say wetin concern you with the camera is good. It is it's normal thing whether you video police or not. It's for your own evidence and security purpose. You focus on the camera. You focus on the treated grass. Did you check the boot? Sometimes Nigeria police make una dey do something wey go let person talk. You are on checking point. Your own is to stop and search. You stop somebody now. Na treated grass. Now you dey ask the person, is it against the law that somebody might check the paper of the treated grass? If everything is okay, you let the person go. You dey ask of the camera this thing. You see the reply wey the person give you is to prove that Nigeria police are really bad, and with this camera you cannot do anything to him, and true you lose 200 naira no fit enter your pocket. You don lose that one o. So next time check well before you stop you stop car. See, in Nigeria now, everybody know the rules guard again. Everybody is looking for a way to prove evidence. Without evidence, nobody will hear your voice. Now evidence, now they make person hear your voice. You get it? So let us know in the comment section the one you think that is better for the two countries. And if the vote of one country is higher than the other one, the one that is losing, you have to work on your police service. You have to work on it.
It's too much. So, na part of you to address how people supposed to drive so that their life will be safe in this ember month. Ha! Where this police officer they serve? I beg, I want to be arrested. Because if this kind of police arrest you, omo, you will never get problem for life. And the side where they go put you will be glad to be in that kind of police station. I beg, make una tell me where e dey. Tell me the crime when I go commit, when you go take arrest me. Oga, now you go arrest me. If not be you, it no fit be another person. No, say human being now, just look at the way he address these people. No matter the depression, the mindset that these people have, with this manner of approach, they no born their way. When they no go take obey to the rules and regulation. Big up, man. Big up, Ghana Police. More respect, more promotion, and more money. Good job.
What are you telling me? Wonder shall never finish. This kind person, no, this kind person, you can't carry a go war. You can't say make you no carry that war with the energy. You dey joke. So, with this kind of energy, if man can get this kind of energy to play drum, and you can't carry a go war, you dey expect to make it fail. How now? No, answer me. How? Only the hand alone self. If you use a cash bandit, if you use that hand, if that hand slap Fulani S-men, he go shout wayo wire. Not be clear eye, he go take drop weapon. This hand, ha, If you dey stay near this officer, if you dey the same area with this officer, abeg respect yourself. No try am, because this kind person no need weapon before he go defeat you. If he slap you, you go know say Ghana flag get 20 stars, not be one. This is the same Ghana soldier wey we dey talk o, the same Ghana security service. Ghana military. Now somebody from Ghana soldier be this. Okay, make I reserve my comment. I know what to, you know. Say this time I know they like to talk too much, but you when you know believe that strong men dey Ghana, try am. No, try am. If you don't try and finish anything where you see for inside, you go bear am. As this man dey vex to play drum like this, if he vex enter war, enter battle. God bless our whole land, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong. But you know what?